Yay! I'm going out to the city for the first time after the COVID-19 was or after the quarantine was announced last March 16. And I will be wearing this when I go to the mall where I want to go and buy a new guitar. I like my guitar here, but I want something much better, especially on the bass, because the tuning is a little bit not tight with this one. So that's the purpose why I want to go to the malls, and I am going to use this quarantine pass here. So for it not to be very disturbing, and when I pick it, I will have to hang it on my neck. I will have to place this shoelace here. There is a hole here. There is a thing that was plugged over here. So there we go. That is the first one, and then I will place the second one here. Okay, so it's a little bit slippery. There you go. So there is the there you are, and this is what I will be placing on my neck, something like here as a kind of an ID. Then maybe I'll just pull it that way. How about that? So does it look good? Yeah. Then all I just have to do is tie this at the back, and I'm ready to go to the mall and buy me my another guitar. I want something better with the bass here. Although the bass of this one is quite good, but when it goes to the chord G, the G string, there is a little bit of difference when I place it like this, or when I bar it like that. The sound of the sixth string is a little bit low. So, or it sounds a little bit different when I do it like that or when I do it like that. So I just want something, or I just like my guitar to sound just good, so I can feel better when I am strumming a song and singing it. So that will be the coverage I will be doing when I will get out tomorrow and survey a Yamaha 310 if my budget can have it, or if they can sell it at my own budget. It's my first time to be out from March 16. Now it is July 5, and this is how this busy place appear. So there you go. Usually in the morning, this place here is occupied by people. This is a usually busy road. Okay, so I'm upgrading my guitar just to get on with it. I came for a Yamaha F310 and I got lucky with this one here. It's on promo. Okay, final take. I hope it will be. Here we go. It's by far the hardest thing I've ever done. To be in love with you and so alone. Follow me where I go, what I do, I know. Make it part of you to be a part of me. Follow me up and down, all the way, all around. Take my hand and say you follow me. It's been long in my mind, you know it's been a long, long time. I've tried to find a way that I can make you understand the way I feel about you, and just so much I need you to be there where I can talk to you and there's no one else around. Follow me where I go, what I do, I know. Make it part of you to be a part of me. Follow me up and down, all the way, all around. Take my hand and say you'll follow me. You see, I like to share my life with you and show you things I've seen, places I am going to, places where I've been. And be there beside me and never be alone. And all the time that you're with me, we will be at home. Follow me where I go, what I do, I know. Make it part of you to be a part of me. Follow me up and down, all the way, all around. Take my hand and say you'll follow me. Thank you for listening to this song, and thank you for watching this video. Share it to somebody else who is in need of inspiration so that they can start their own stroke therapy program. Give this a like and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to this channel. I'll be seeing you in the next upload.